Worksheet?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this activity.
Okay, shall I explain you?
Yes.
Worksheet?
Yes.
I'll explain you all the activities.
Yes.
Once I'm done, you will do one by one, okay? All 10 of them. Take a letter, this one. Find a matching one here and circle it. P and P is matching. So you will circle the right one. These are all sight words. So take a sight word like a or as, anything. Take a sight word and count how many are here. You can go line by line. Like A, it's in 1, 2, 3. 3 places, right? So you'll write 3 here. Do you see some objects here?
Yeah.
And there's something missing here. Like? What's missing here?
Slanting lines.
Yeah, so you'll draw the slanting lines. Same way, something is missing for cupcake, something is missing for clock. You will finish the object, okay? You know this very well, no? Which is smaller, which is bigger. You will use this one for smaller, this one for bigger. 2 is smaller or 4 is smaller? Which one is smaller?
Down.
So you'll do something like this. Okay? You need to do what is the starting letter of the color. What's the starting letter of this color version?
Y.
So you'll write Y here, okay? You need to do it for all of them. This is your egg basket, okay? So many baskets are there. But how many eggs do you need? What's the number here?
2.
So you'll put 2 eggs here. 1 and 2 in the basket, okay? So what's the number here?
12.
So you'll put 3 eggs. Same goes for every basket. Whatever is the number, you'll put that many eggs in the basket. This is pattern. So you need to see what is going to come after this. 1 green triangle, 1 orange circle. Green triangle, orange circle. What comes here?
Green triangle.
Good. So you'll draw a green triangle. Worksheet, what is this?
Cloud.
What is the ending letter?
D.
Now, do you find anything that ends with D? You can go like this. What is this? Glass.
Glass.
And does it end with D?
Nope.
What is this? Does it end with D?
Yes.
So you can draw a matching line. You know this, Worksheet, already. You just have to draw the same pattern here. Like for this one, what will be the pattern? How will you draw? Good. Same way you'll draw for all 3. You'll write what is the missing alphabet. What comes after A?
B.
What comes after C?
D.
What is before F?
E.
Good. So you'll write all of them. Okay? Can you start doing it one by one? Yes? favorite?
This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Everything is your favorite?
Yes.
Did you like everything?
This is my favorite.
Okay.
This is my favorite. Bye bye.